Welcome back, fellows. Very easy to include bullets in your Microsoft Word files or PowerPoint files, but when it comes to Excel, not that simple. I will give you a very quick tip how to include bullets to list items in your table. So simply, I make a list of, let's say, 20 items here, and I want to give a bullet on the corner. Just simply press Control 1. The moment you press Control 1, Excel takes you to the formatting menu. There you see a lot of options, and custom is the one you have to click. And then the type part you have to edit. I will simply remove whatever it is here and paste this. Now, whatever I pasted here, you will also find in the description of this video, so you can copy paste it simply. The moment you paste this type here, you can see there is a data type change. I will press OK and I will be able to see bullets here. Now, if I change anything here, for example, if I give any text, even that will be formatted into a bullet. So this data type is bullet for this particular group of cells, and now you can use it as your column for bulleting. Fellows, I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to speak to you again. In the meanwhile, I wish you a wonderful day ahead. Speak to you. Bye-bye.